I'm not aware about the Congress invite. As far as he asking the independent candidates, I mean independent MLAs, I think Naresh and Vijay have to clarify on that particular issue, which I'm sure is that he has a different story. But whatever the story is, reason Baban Kidak Mudla and why he has put this on his debate or whatever, he will be the best person to clarify on the subject. As far as I am concerned, I have not had any Congress person come and approach me for any of these things. So the question of joining Congress does not arise because कितें जाता एकदम कोणी मनीस समज जालो 5 वर्सां न्हिदिल्लो उठलो आणि सडनली थिंग्स ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू इलेक्शन डज नॉट मेक अ स्टेटमेंट. You have to be connected to grassroots. You have to understand the people's problems and you have to be with the people. Municipality election पयर आयले there was no Congress. Jilla Panchayat election आले there was no Congress. And the flavor of the whole situation in Goa today is they are fed up with the earlier things what Congress wrongdoings were. They are fed up with the BJP what they are doing today. So they are looking at an alternate. And as लोकांक जाय ते दिवंक जाय न्ही. We are who are we? We are people elected by, we are MLAs elected by our people. So we have to give to see that what our people want, that wishes have to be fulfilled. आणि समज ह्या तरेन आमी समज चिंतूंक गेले जाल्यार आय थिंक काँग्रेस इज अ लॉंग वे टू गो. कित्याक पयर जेन्ना तुजी ती कसली त्यांची ती सभा जाली लोहिया मैदानाचेर, that sabha after the particular whole event took place, there was one of his own legislators saying, which is gone viral on social media, ki ye zala it is going to damage the party, old faces were seated, amka diuna. So the division politics which they have been playing is again come on the fore, and those are 70s politics. As Lokang and the youth of today want transparency, want accountability of the people elected representative which they have, which I think will come out of new faces. आणि नवे फेसीस बेटच कोणी खंयची पार्टी समज प्रॉमिस करतले, दोज पीपल हॅव टू बी कनेक्टेड वेर समवेअर इन द वर्क्स एसी कॅबिनान बसून डिबेटीन पार्टिसिपेट जावन आणि खंय हे बसून दिस आर नॉट द पीपल हू विल गेट इलेक्टेड आउट ऑफ द ब्लूज. सो आय थिंक काँग्रेस आयडियोलॉजी इज गुड, बट दे नीड टू चेंज देअर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. बट फॉर अस, फॉर वॉट वी फील, आय थिंक द पीपल हॅव डिसायडेड की तांकां हायकमांड नाका. आणि हायकमांड नाका जाल्यार नॅशनल पार्टीज डोंट फायंड अ प्लेस इन गोवा. इट वील बी अ पार्टी विच वील हॅव सेंटिमेंट्स विदीन गोवा, leaders from Goa without any high command. So you can expect a third front, or you can expect a party which will cater to the requirements of Goans at large.